Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and today I wanted to share a makeup look with you guys because we are officially in the month of October, which means it's spooky season and the leaves are gonna change and the weather's gonna change and it's not gonna be too hot anymore. Hopefully not too humid because it's been humid all summer. I have my little mug here to start my day off with some warm tea, and I am just so excited to be back here. I tried to put up something spooky-ish for now, so this is my current backdrop, and I just wanted to get back on here. It's been a little bit since I posted my last video, and I'm thinking my next video will be how to stay productive at home, because I know I'm struggling with that, and many of you might be as well, whether you're a student or at work. But today's video will be just a very calming, relaxing makeup look. I am not going to be chit-chatting all the way through it because sometimes I ramble on and not many of those videos get views. So we're just going to keep it very casual today and play some calming music to celebrate and get into the fall season, and I hope you enjoy. Also, everything that I'll be using will be linked in the description box below, so check that out. And leave me a comment if you guys like what you see and what your favorite drink is, because I need to try new things out and I'm looking for recommendations. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids. I'm going in with MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. You can use any concealer, but this will be the base for the eyeshadows that we put down later. And I wanted to do the eyes first because some of the eyeshadows we'll be using are very dark, and so if any of them fall onto my face, it won't ruin my foundation.
Yeah. See, had to ask a question if you happy, girl. I'll change your mind anytime in this happy world. Let's go and kick it, you and me, and see what love affirms.
Now I'm gonna go in with a big fluffy brush and pick up a mid-tone brown. This one actually ended up being a little bit darker than I thought, but it'll work because we're going to darken up this look anyway, and I'm just working that into my crease.
Trying to get together, figure out what to do. Even after some disasters, we were making it work. But never did I ever think that you would do in the dirt. Stay cute while you smile in your brand new skirt. Just happy that we've been together and we never get hurt. So say, girl.
Now I'm picking up a brown shade that has a little bit more yellow and mustard undertones, and I'm going to work that into the crease as well.
Cause I'm just falling for the artist like your name Autumn. Like,
wonder if you spent the winter all alone, yeah. Cause I don't please fall, I don't please fall.
Now I'm picking up a deeper brown color, and I'm taking a more fluffy pencil brush, and I'm going to put that on the outer V of my eyelid. Now I'm going in with a dense blending brush, and I'm going to blend the darker brown shade together with the other shades on the lid. To make the next shade pop, I'm going to wet my flat shader brush, and I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade from the Colourpop Dream St Palette. I am just picking that up, and then I'm going to put it, focusing it on the center of the lid, and then working it from the inner corner a little bit outward. This is me using this sponge to clean my brush real quick. I'm going back in with the deep brown color and adding that back to the outer V.
Hoping that the pain I'm feeling wanted to got me feeling light.
Now for the very shimmery shade, I'm going in with NYX glitter glue. I'm going to pat that on the center of the lid and wait for it to get tacky before adding the very shimmery shade from the Pat McGrath Midnight Sun palette.
Wonder if you spend your winter all alone, yeah. I don't please fall, I don't please fall.
First I use my flat shader brush to pat down the shade, and then I will blend it out. And of course I'm going to deepen up the outer V. I start to bring some of that darker shade up, and now I'm going to blend it out with a big fluffy blending brush. As you can see, there's a little bit of dark shadow under my eye, so I'm going to wash that off real quick. Now I'm taking my Colourpop concealer and then the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I mix them because my concealer is a little bit too light for me right now. And I'm going to apply that with my finger under my eyes, and then I will blend it out with a damp beauty sponge.
Shadows handed me a question. If I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do?
And I'm going to dot the rest of my foundation on and then blend it out with the beauty sponge.
What would I do? Do. Woke up from my premonition. I couldn't feel your warmth. I couldn't find you. So I flipped out. I ran into the kitchen. I found a little note saying I'll be back soon.
Now it's time for my eyebrows. Now I'm taking the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Bliss, and I'm going to dot that onto my cheekbones.
Your clothes were all packed and the dog was gone too. So what do I do? What do I do? Lucky me, it was only a dream within a dream. It gave me sight unseen, and suddenly I knew what was haunting me.
Now I'm going to quickly set my face with a light powder.
As I watched you walk away from me, how could I let you leave?
To add some warmth to my face, I'm going in with the Colourpop pressed powder in Private Party, and I'm going to use that to contour my cheekbones and bronze my face.
What do I do? Cold sweat, woke up from a nightmare. The sun was peeking its head into the room.
Now I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm taking the dark brown shade and I'm going to work that from the outer corner to the center of the lower lash line. And I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm taking the brown shade that had more yellow in it, and I'm going to use that to blend all the way from the outer corner to the inner part of the lower lash line. And then I decided I wanted to contour my nose, so that's me. I gotta do my mascara real quick. And I'm taking this lighter shimmery shade to highlight the inner corner of the eye and right underneath the eyebrow. And I'm blending that out with a big blending brush. Now for the lip color. I'm applying the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Sleepy Eyes.
This could be something else.
That completes this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will be posting a vlog very soon and also a video on how to be productive in quarantine. My most recent video actually has gone up in some views. It's different resources you can use right now to learn coding for free. So if you're interested in getting more skills on your resume, definitely check that out. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend and that this week will be amazing and fruitful and the best October ever for the circumstances that we're in. But yeah, I hope you guys are staying healthy and happy, and thank you so much for watching.